How to remove Reels logo and username from Instagram story. First of all, open your application Instagram. So let's say this is the reel that you want to share it on your Instagram. But you'll be able to see the logo and the username of the person right here. If you want to remove it before you share it on your Instagram story, what you want to do is go back and head over to your reel post. Tap on the share icon and then tap on copy link. Once the link of this reel video has been copied, go back and head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Instagram Video Downloader. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page. Right here in this section, you need to paste the link that you have just copied and then tap on download. It will land you on this interface. Scroll down and you will get to see the option of download video. Tap on it. It will open up an ad. Tap on this cross icon. The video will start to download. Once the video has been downloaded, go back and head over to your application Instagram. Swipe right and move into your story. Tap on this icon at the bottom left corner. It will open up a gallery. So right here at the top, you'll get to see the video that you have just downloaded. Tap on that video. You will be able to zoom in or zoom out the video. Well, there you can see there is no any logo or the username of the person. Now even if you share it on your story, the logo and the username won't be visible to anyone and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how to remove the Reels logo and the username on Instagram story. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.